609, question number 4. Now pay attention while we do this sum. Let's read the question first. Now, Srimati Maltibe keeps her books of accounts as per single entry system. Her assets and liabilities as on 1/4/2015, underline this, वहाँ पे लिख दो OP opening and 31/3/2016 क्या लिखोगे यहाँ पे CL closing. Now you can see various values of assets and liabilities are given. So building asset, machinery asset, furniture asset, investment asset, stock asset, debtor asset, creditor liability, cash and bank balance asset, bills payable liability, bills receivable asset. Now during the year her cash withdrawal was 13,200 and goods withdrawal was 4,200. She has bought 12,000 as additional capital in the business. Prepare a statement showing profit or loss for the year ended 31/3/2016. But to find out profit or loss, first we have to find out the opening and the closing balance, capital balance. So then you write statement of affairs statement of affairs as on 1/4/2015. And then statement of affairs as on 31/3/2016. Here you can write in the bracket opening, and here we write closing. Let's start. Building. $84,000. Building closing also 84,000. Then machinery. $50,400. Machinery 58,800. Furniture 10,800. Furniture 10,800. Investments 4,000. Stock 25,200. $30,400. Debtors 24,000. Debtors 26,000. Creditors liability 16,200. $33,000. Cash and bank balance 400. $22,500. Bills payable. $80,000. Bills payable. 20,700. Bills receivable. 8,400. Bills receivable. 10,700. Balance. असेट का टोटल करना पहले। What's the total of asset opening? 221. Opening capital 1,87,000. Right balancing figure 1,87,000. What's the total over here? 257200. Closing capital balancing figure 205 203,500. Okay, now यहाँ तक हो गया सबका। Okay. Now we have to find the profit over here. So we have to make a statement for profit. Write the heading. Statement showing profit or loss for the year ended 31/3/2015. These two columns are amount rupees, particulars. Now we will start. Acha, once again, I'll just recall what we did yesterday was dhyan do. You remember this format capital? We had opening balance plus additional. Right now I'm not taking interest, okay? Plus profit. I'm just taking profit. Minus drawings. Minus additional drawings. Minus loss and the loss. and then what we get is the closing capital, closing for this year, opening for the next year. Now over here we have opening balance, we have the closing balance, we have information of capital, we have information of drawings. This is what we have to find. So we have to go here reverse. You understood this? So we start with closing capital. I'll keep this as it is right now. Closing capital comes to 2 lakh 3,500. Closing capital comes to 2 lakh 3,500. You give this A, you give this B, and you give this C. So here we'll write S per B. Now, over here, go to the sum, see the adjustments. During the year, her cash withdrawal was 13,200 and goods withdrawal was 4,200. क्या करेंगे ड्राइंग्स को? जो यहाँ माइनस है वो हो जाएगा प्लस. एंड drawings. What we are drawing is first is cash. So I'll write in the inner column cash is 13,200 and second goods. Goods are 4,200. Any other drawings? No. So draw a line like this. 17,400. What's the total? 2,20,900. Less. अब लेस क्या कर देंगे इसमें से हम ओपनिंग कैपिटल as per A 1 lakh inner column 1,87,000. Then additional capital. What's the additional capital? For 12,000. So 1,99,000. Less कर देंगे 21,900 is profit before adjustments. Now here there are no adjustments, so this is our final answer. This is how we derive the profit. Srimati Shobhaben Nanavati keeps her accounts as per single entry system. From the following info, find out profit loss by capital comparison method. Let's mark फटाफट. Land and building asset, machinery asset, furniture asset, investment asset, debtor asset, bills payable liability, creditors liability, bills receivable asset, stock asset, cash and bank balance asset, loan from bank, and provident fund liability. Now during the year, she had bought her personal scooter worth 11,000 in the business. And she has now, see, ध्यान दो, do we have scooter anywhere? But scooter came during the year. So as on the year end, we have scooter with us. So scooter worth 11,000 in the business and she has withdrawn 1,750 by cash. Her personal LIC premium of 3,500 and income tax of 4,100 were paid from the business, while goods of 1,400 were taken away from the business for her personal use. Now ये जो assets है ना, वहाँ पे तुम provident fund के नीचे या side में कहीं लिख दो scooter and 31 3 pay, you write the amount 11,000. You write the amount 11,000. Let's start posting it. Already. Now, land and building. Amount is 30,000. Amount is 25,000. Then machinery 9,000. Machinery 11,000. Furniture 1,500. Furniture 2,500. Now, before you go for investment, you add scooter. You mark it so that you know this is what you included, 11,000. Then investment is 2,500 and 3,000. Next, debtors. Six two five zero. Debtors 8250. Bills payable, liability 600. Bills payable 100. Creditors, चलो भाई Baby and Mansi. Okay. Creditors 7,500. Creditors 9,000. Bills receivable 1,600. Bills receivable 1,200. Stock 4,000. Stock 5,000. Cash and bank balance 4,000. Cash and bank balance 3,000. Bills payable. Oh, sorry, loan from bank 5,000. Loan from bank and then provident fund 2,000. Provident fund 2,500. Close it. Find the opening and the closing capital. Total is 41850. Opening capital 26750. What's the total of balance sheet closing? 69950.
52700.
Now, as you can see, here the balance sheet is always going to tally because capital is the balancing figure. You remember the कल difference में हमने ये discuss किया था. Here we don't have a trial balance, so whatever we write, it is going to match. Profit or loss? Now, we start with closing capital. As per statement B, so it is 52,700. Add drawings. What's there in drawings? LIC 3,500 first. LIC premium 3,500 second. Income tax 4,100. Goods 1,400. You also have cash?
Yes.
And then we have cash. $1,750. Total 1,0750. Do the totals. 6,345 less capital. Opening capital as per A. Opening capital is 26750. And additional capital which is scooter is of 11,000. 37750. 25,000 profit before adjustments. This is the answer.